In the historic town of Clarksville, Missouri, the Mississippi River has been long both a lifeline and a threat. After decades of devastating floods, a solution has finally taken shape. With determined leadership from Mayor Joanne Smiley and support from local and federal partners, a demountable flood wall now stands ready to protect the heart of downtown. This $15 million system, designed for both resilience and preservation, can be deployed when the river rises and removed to restore the town's open views. Floodproofing.com partnered with Whole Street Productions to document this milestone, a turning point in Clarksville's long journey to safeguard its future.